ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभमनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन् ऋलुक् एओङ् ऐ औच् अयवरट् लन् ञमाङाणनम् जभै घटदश् जबगडदश् खफछठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः ऊपु उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमाङाणनानां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः
कण्ठभूषणं
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
वकारस्य
दन्तभूषणं
जह्वामूलीयस्य जह्वामूल्यम्
जुह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामन्नास्ति
परायणं परतरं
रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
Okay, now today we will see Samskrita Baladarshe Dvitiyah Pataha. Please type your name in the chat box. Dvitiyah Pataha, second lesson. First is Pratamaha. Pratamaha, this is Dvitiyaha. Pratamaha is first. Dvitiyaha is second. This Pratamaha Dvitiyaha, I'll explain little on that. You can see. Eka, Dve, Trini, these are numbers. There's something called Sankhya, Sankhyeya. What is that? The Shabda Manjari, this document you have been sent to you. Already you can see. From this I will explain. Just in the page number, this is a page, yeah. Not connected to the lesson, but still we have been learning Sanskrit for a long time, so you can know this. Sankhya, Sankhya Shabdaha. Sankhya, Sankhya means number. Sankhya means number. Now, numbers also are declinable. They are also Shabda. They are declinable. Like Eka, Dve, Trini, Chatvari. We will see the Shabdas later. We are not interested in Shabda now. That I will explain this Shabda later. So Sankhya means Shabda. You can see that all these are declensions of the numbers. Now, Sankhyeya is ordinal. Sankhya is cardinal. In English, it is called cardinal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sankhya. Sankhyeya is ordinal. Ordinal is first, second, third, fourth. These are ordinals. First is Pratama. Second is Dvitiya. Third is Tritiya. Fourth is Chaturthi. You know, Pratama Vibhaktihi, Dvitiya Vibhaktihi, Tritiya Vibhaktihi, Chaturthi Vibhaktihi. We say Panchami Vibhaktihi. Similarly, here it is. Pratama is the Pratipadika. Simple Shabda like Rama Shabda. Rama Shabda, you know. Similarly, you can decline Pratama Shabda, which is ordinal Sankhyeya Shabda. Sankhya is cardinal, Sankhyeya is ordinal. Sankhya is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sankhya is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we are reading the second lesson. Therefore, it is ordinal or cardinal?
Ordinal.
Ordinal, second, right? Dvitiya. Now, Pratama is the Pratipadikam. You can decline like Ramashabda in Pullinga. Pratamaha, Pratamo, Pratamaha. But one more form is that Pratame in Bhagavachanam. Don't worry about that. Pratame, you can see Pratame in Bhagavachanam. One more form is there. Let it be there, no problem. So Pratamaha, Pratamo, Pratamaha, Pratamam, Pratamo, Pratamana, Pratamena, Pratamabhyam, Pratamaiki, Pratamaya, Pratamabhyam, Pratamebhyaha, like Rama Shabda, you can decline. That is Pratama. Okay. The same way, Dvitiya, etc., you can decline. Dvitiya means second. So how do you decline Dvitiya? Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Dvitiya Shabdaha. Dvitiyaha, Dvitiyo, Dvitiye or Dvitiyaha. Dvitiyam, Dvitiyo, Dvitiyan, Dvitiyena, Dvitiyabhyam, Dvitiyaihi, Dvitiyaya, Dvitiyabhyam, Dvitiyebhyaha, like Rama Shabda, you can decline. Similarly, other Shabda, Tritiya, etc., everything you can decline. Now in Strilinga, what happens? Pratama become Pratama, Akaranta, like Rama Shabda. Rama, Rame, Ramaha, we know. Pratama, Pratame, Pratamaha. Pratamam, Pratame, Pratamaha. Pratamaya, Pratamabhyam, Pratamabhihi, like Rama Shabda, you can decline. Pratama, the meaning being first, it can be declined in all the genders in keeping with what it qualifies, the Visheshya. So therefore, this is Visheshanam. Sankhya is Visheshanam. First lesson. Lesson is Pata is Pullinga. Therefore, only Pratamaha Pataha in Pullinga, we say. Pratamaha Pataha. Pratamah Pataha. Second lesson. Lesson is Pataha Pullinga. Therefore, Dvitiyah Pataha. Whereas Vibhakti is Strilinga. That is why Pratama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. So, this Sankhya, they are Visheshana, adjectives, taking the gender of the Visheshya, the substantive. When a word is an adjective in Sanskritam, when a word is used as an adjective, then it has to be qualified in terms of the vibhakti, in terms of the vachanam, and in terms of the number with the substantive, Visheshya. So, therefore, Pratama Vibhaktihi iti, Dvitiya Vibhaktihi. Vibhakti being Srilinga, therefore Pratama Dvitiya. Now, Napumsakalinga, that is all. It is a declinable Napumsakalinga also. Pratamam Pratame, Pratamani, Palam Pale Palama, Palani, like that you can decline. Then, similarly, Dvitiya Shabda, Akaranta Pullingaha, Dvitiyaha, Dvitiyo, Dvitiyaha, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Dvitiyam, Dvitiyo, Dvitiyana, you can decline. And we have some extra forms in other Vibhakti. Don't worry about that. One form, if you remember, that itself is enough. So, Dvitiya, Tritiya, all can be declined. Like Akaranta, Pullinga, you can decline like Rama Shabda. If it is Strilinga, then it is like Rama Shabda, Dvitiya, Tritiya. Now, so Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya is over. Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. Okay, these are all other things, extra information. Saptami Ekavachaneshu, Dvitiyasya, Dvitiyayai, Dvitiyasya, Dvitiyaha, iti Rupa Visheshaha. It's okay. He's saying that Dvitiya, etc. will have extra forms, he says. No problem. That we don't have to know it now. It's not important. If you know Rama Shabda, it is more than enough for Srilinga, Dvitiya, etc. Now, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. All these are Ikaranta Shabda. Chaturthi, Ikaranta. Srilinga. Panchami, it is Srilinga only. Shashti, etc. Okay, here you can see. Here, both the Sankhya, that is cardinal, and Sankhya ordinal are given here. You can see in masculine Ekaha. First we will let us see Sankhya Shabda. Ekaha, Dvau, Trayaha, Chatvaraha, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta or Ashtau, Nava, Dasha. These are numbers 1, 2, 3 in Pullinga. Now in Strilinga is Eka, that is 1. Eka, Strilinga Eka. Eka, Dve, Tisraha, Chatasraha, 4. What about 5? Same as Pullinga only, Pancha only. There are no different forms, same form as the Pullinga. Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Ashtau, Nava, Dasha. So only 4, up to 4 you have to remember. The rest are same as the Pullinga only. Then Napumsakalinga, Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari. So you need to remember only the 4 for all the gender. Because from the 5 onwards, it is common for all. So Ekaha, Eka, Ekam, Dvau, Dve, Dve, Trayaha, Tisraha, Trini, then Chatvaraha, Chatasraha, Chatvari. Chatvaraha, Chatasraha, Chatvari. Then after that, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Rashtau, Nava, Dasha, it will be like that. Then you see Sankhya Shabda, ordinals. Pratamaha, Dvitiyaha, Tritiyaha, Pratamo, Pratamaha, Adhyayaha. Today is Gita Jayanti, for your information. Today is Gita Jayanti. Pratamaha, Dvitiyaha, Tritiyaha, Chaturtaha. Chaturtaha has got Turiyaha also is the in Mandukya Upanishad. Turiya, Atma, say Turiya. So Turiyaha 4th. Turiyaha also is there, another form. Then Panchamaha, Shashtaha, Saptamaha, Ashtamaha, Navamaha, Dashamaha. Panchamodhyayaha, Shashtodhyayaha, and all we say. This is Pullinga. Strilinga, it is Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi. Then Chaturthi has got other forms also, like Pullinga, Turiya, Turya. Then Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami. Then Strilinga, it is Pratamam, Dvitiyam, Tritiyam, Chaturtham, Turiyam or Chaturtham or Turiyam. Then Panchamam, Shashtam, Saptamam, Ashtamam, Navam, Dashamam. These are the numbers, Sankhya, Sankhya. Similarly, for you can extend 11, 12, etc. That not required now. At least you know this much. Now coming back here. Dvitiya Pataha. Pataha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It is Pullinga. Pata is lesson, meaning lesson, like Rama Shabda. Therefore, it is qualified by what? Sankhya or Sankhya Shabda?
Sankhya.
Sankhya, ordinal. Second lesson. Dvitiya Pataha. Second lesson. Now you will read. Type your name in the chat box. Jyotiji, please read.
Yes, Guruji. संस्कृत बालादर्शे द्वितीयः पाठः अयं वृक्षः सः गजः
Ayam Vrikshaha. Okay. Take one by one. Kriya Padam is
you have to supply अयं वृक्षः अस्ति
Asti or Bhavati. Yes. And you can tell in what is the subject of the sentence?
subject is वृक्षः
Vriksha. So the subject will be in what vibhakti?
in prathama vibhakti.
Remember, in what prayoga?
In kartari prayoga.
In kartari prayoga, the subject, the agent, or the karta is called agent. It will be in prathama vibhakti. And that vachanam will be in keeping with the kriya pada. Ayam is adjectival pronoun. What's the pratipadikam?
Idam.
Idam shabdasya prathama vibhakti ekavachana rupam ayam. Ayam vrikshaha asti. Idanim. Dvivachane parivartanam karotu. Dvivachanam.
Imau,
Hmm.
imau vrukshau staha.
Yes. Then Bhagavachane.
Ime vrukshaha santi.
So ayam, imau, ime. Need to remember that. Okay. Patatu.
Saha gajaha. So,
Kriyapadam.
saha gajaha asti. It is to be
Asti.
supplied. Asti or bhavati.
Hmm.
Gajaha is the subject. Kartari prayoga. The dvivachan will be tau gajau staha. Te gajaha santi.
Santi. Good. Next one. Anuradhaji.
Gajaha gachati,
Hmm.
ajaha tishtati.
Gajaha gachati. Yes, specific. Dhatu, the Kriya Padam is given. Gachati. Dhatu is
Gam dhatu.
Gam Dhatu. Dhatu is Gam Dhatu. Gachati. Gam becomes Gacha. Gachati, Gachataha,
Gachanti.
Gachanti. What tense is that?
Lotlaka, Vartamana kalam.
Vartamana Kala. What is the technical word for Vartamana Kala?
Lot,
Huh? Let.
Latlakara, sir.
Let. Present tense.
Yeah,
Technical name for present tense is Latlakara.
Lat.
Please note this. This already we have seen this. What you see in the screen now. The pratyaya gives you all the information. What information? I'm just taking Pratama Purusha Ekavachan. The ti I'm taking as an example. The pratyaya, the suffix tells you who is the doer of the kriya, the action, and what prayoga is this, active voice or passive voice, what tense is, that is what I asked you, lat lakara, present tense, and what Purusha is, third person, that is Prathama Purusha or Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha, then what Vachanam. These information the pratyaya gives, important. So Gachati, Gachati, ti is present tense and the subject has to be singular, right? And other information also it is there, but it is this much is enough now. Gajaha Gachati. Then Dvivachanam would be
Gajau gachataha.
then
Gajaha
Gajaha Gachanti.
gachanti.
Bhagavachane Gajaha Gachanti.
Gajaha gachanti.
Then read next.
Ajaha tishtati.
What is a dhatu? Dhatu is
Is it
sta dhatu. Sta dhatu. Sta becomes tishta. All these things, if you are ready, I will teach you that how the tishtati, etc. will come. We will see in the grammar class. Tishtati. Sta becomes tishtati. Gam becomes gachati. Okay. Since this is only bhasha matram here in this class, so we will not discuss from how you get the from stada to tishtati rupam. That we will see later. Just know this much. This gachati, tishtati. Okay. Anyavachane. Ajau.
Tishtataha. Ajaha tishtanti.
You understand the meaning?
Yeah.
Elephant goes, then or this next sentence is the goat stands or
Two goats are standing, and then many goats.
yes. Next one, Lataji.
Vrikshaha palati.
Vrikshaha palati.
Palati.
Palati is it bears, when it fructifies, it gives fruits. The meaning is Vrikshaha palam dadati. That is gives fruits. That is the meaning. Palati. Okay. Vrikshaha palati. Vrikshau.
Palataha.
Then
Vriksha palanti.
Vrikshaha palanti. Then next
Then
Ramaha.
Ramaha patati. Ramo patati.
Patataha.
Ramaha patati.
Ramaha patanti. So patati. Okay. Palati. The dhatu is pal dhatu. Just you can note. See, this dhatus are listed in the Dhatu Pata. Dhatu Pata is the Grantha written by Panini Maharishi. Panini Maharishina Virachitaha Grantaha Dhatu Pataha. Dhatu Pata is a Grantha text which lists out all the dhatus of the language. How many dhatus are there? There are about 2000 dhatus are there. About 2000 dhatus. These dhatus are divided into 10 groups. Those groups are called groups or conjugations. These groups have got names. First group, second group, we can remember like that. Later we will see what is the first dhatu. Based on the first dhatu, the groups are named. So these dhatus are given in the Dhatu Pata. So the Dhatu Pata is which gives you the meaning of the dhatu. Okay. So the Dhatu Pata is the two out of 2000 dhatus only, all the dhatus all the Kriya Padams are derived. So Gacchati is Gam Dhatu. Gacchati is Gam Dhatu. Gam, in fact, Aupadeshika Dhatu, the original Dhatu in the Dhatu Pada is Gamlu. We will see that later. Just know Gam Dhatu. Similarly, Sta is the Dhatu for Sta Dhatu for Tisht. Tishtati, the Kriya Padam for which the Dhatu is Sta Dhatu. From Sta Dhatu, you get the form Tishtati. Similarly, Palati, the Dhatu is Pal. Pal is a Dhatu from which we get the form Palati. Patati, the Dhatu is Pat Dhatu. Pat Dhatu from which we get Patati. So all these dhatus are in the listed in the Dhatu Pata. So the dhatu belongs to which gana, which group? Depending on that, you will see the change in the form of the Kriya Pada. It is all based on which category, which group these dhatus are organized. Based on that, it is, you will see the rupa, the form change. Fine. By default, we are going to see the first gana, and some gana other dhatus also may come in between. When it comes, we will see. Okay. So here, Pat Dhatu, Sta Dhatu, Gam Dhatu, these dhatus belong to first gana. Okay, next one. Jyotiji, please read.
Yes, Guruji. Iyam Lata. So Iyam Strilinga, Lata is Strilinga, Kriyapat to be supplied. So Iyam is Pratipadikam is Idam, Strilinga, Prathama Vibhakti. And Ime Late, Imaha Lataha.
Yes. Ime Late, Staha, Imaha Lataha, Santi.
Santi. Sa Bala, Sa Bala Asti, Te Bale Staha, Taha Balaha Santi.
Yes. Continue. You can read the next one also.
Bala Tishtati. So Bale Tishtataha, Balaha Tishtanti.
Yes. So what Bala Tishtati? What linga is a Bala?
Bala is Trilinga.
Bala. Bala, Bale, Balaha. Tishtati,
Balaha.
Tishta, Tishtanti. Balaha Tishtanti. When you write, what would be the Sandhi?
That will become Pullinga. Pullinga Bahuvachanam.
No, why Pullinga?
Ramaha, Ramu, Ramaha.
Bala, Bale, Balaha also. That
Okay.
also, Bahuvachanam, the Rupam is same. Bala Shabda or Bala Shabda, both Shabda, Bala is Pullinga, Bala is Strilinga, both Shabda have the same form in Bhagavachanam.
Oh, yes.
Depending on the context, we have to know whether it is Strilinga or Pullinga. Okay.
Yes,
So
Guruji.
Balaha Tishtanti Bhagavachanam. Now I'm asking you, Sandhi. Balaha Tishtanti. The Visarga, what will happen to Visarga?
Balaha. Becomes Sakara Balas Tishtanti.
Balas Tishtanti. That's what I said. Becomes Balas Tishtanti. Okay. Continue next. So Next one.
Mala, Mlayati. So Guruji, Mlayati is
Good.
what we say in Kumlana in Hindi.
Mla means fading.
Fading, yeah.
Dhatu is
Mal-
mlai dhatu. It's good.
Mlai.
Yeah, as this. Dhatu is mlai. Mlai means to fade. Mlayati, mlayataha, mlayanti iti rupam. Okay. Please read.
So Mala, Mlayati, Male, Mlayataha, Malaha, Mlayanti.
Mlayanti. Continue the next one also.
Lata, Pushpyati, Late, Pushpyataha, Lataha, Pushpyanti.
Yes. Then
Sita, Sita, Vadati, Site, Vadataha, Sitaha, Vadanti.
vadanti. Sita vadati. Now, if it is Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha, it would be Tvam vadasi, Yuvam,
Si-
Vadataha, Yuyam,
Vadanti.
Vadatha. Not Vadanti, Vadatha. I'm using
Vadatha.
Madhyama Purusha. Then Uttama Purusha. Agam vadami,
Vadavaha, Vadamaha.
Avam vadavaha, Vayam
Vayam Vadamaha.
vadamaha. Next one. Anuradhaji, you can read.
Idam pushpam.
Asti.
Idam pushpam asti.
What sandhi is that?
This is Anuswaras.
Idam,
It-
for that Padanta Makara become Anuswara. Padanta Makara has become Anuswara, that is Anuswara Sandhi. Pushpam Asti, no Sandhi. Why?
Yeah. Because asti, it's a
Beginning with a vowel,
Swaram.
so Makara will remain. Idam Pushpam Asti. Okay. And
ime-
Dvivachane and Bhagavachane,
ime pushpe
Staha,
imani pushpani santi.
Santi. Padatu.
Tat patram te patre tani patrani.
Kadani Patrani. Patra Pushpa, these are Napumsakalinga. Akarantaha Napumsakalinga, Palashabdavat, Pushpa Shabdaha, Patra Shabdaha, Patram Patre Patrani, Pushpam Pushpe Pushpani. Okay. Continue.
Patram patati patre patatah patrani patanti.
Patrani Patanti. Here Pat Dhatu. Dhatu is Pat Dhatu. Pat to fall. So Patati. Okay, continue.
Netram spuranti.
Netram Spurati.
Spurati, sorry. Netram spurati, netre spuratah, netrani spuranti.
Throbbing. Spur Dhatu. I throb. Throbs. Netre, two eyes throb. Netrani Spuranti. Eyes throb. Spur Dhatu. So Netram is the subject. It is Netram Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Kartari Prayoga, subject will be in Pratama Vibhakti in Ekavachanam in keeping with the Vachanam of the Kriya Padam. Netrani Spuranti. Spuranti, therefore Netrani. And remember, Ekating Vakyam. A Kriya Padam is a sentence. Just a thing. Tingantam. Kriya Padam is a sentence. Because it tells you what prayoga, what is a karta, what purusha, all the information gives. Therefore, it is a vakyam, ekating vakyam. Okay, continue.
Pushpam vikasati, pushpe vikasatah, and pushpani vikasanti.
Here you can note vikasati. Vikasati means
Blooms.
blooms, blossoms. Dhatu is kas dhatu with V prefix, upasarga. Upasarga can either change the meaning or modify the meaning or intensify the meaning, or it can give the same meaning also. Here it gives the same vikasati. So we'll talk about upasarga later. We'll see there are about 20 upasargas, prefixes are there. Like gachati with a upasarga becomes agachati. The meaning changes. Gachati goes, agachati comes. Anugachati with anu upasarga prefix follows. So Dhatvartaha anyatra niyate upasargena. Upasarga leads or takes the meaning of the dhatu elsewhere. possible. You can change, it can modify or intensify, or as I said, just give the same meaning as that, the dhatu. Okay, then last one.
Then mukham lasati.
What gender
Uh,
mukham is?
This is Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. So, okay, another thing here. Mukham is Napumsakalinga. You see, what vibhakti is that?
Prathama vibhakti.
Why it cannot be Dvitiya vibhakti?
Mukham, because it is mukham
Possible.
lasati.
It is possible. It can be Dvitiya vibhakti if it is if there is subject in the sentence. If there is subject in the sentence, then it can be Dvitiya vibhakti. Why? Because there's no subject here. Fine. Why it is Dvitiya vibhakti? I'm saying possible because the form is same. Mukham mukhe mukhani. Mukham mukhe mukhani. Napumsakalinga prathama dvitiya rupam are same. Akaranta shabda. Right?
Yes.
So prathama vibhakti or Dvitiya vibhakti possible. Now Dvitiya vibhakti you have to rule out. How do you rule out? It is Dvitiya vibhakti. It cannot be Dvitiya vibhakti.
Lasati.
Yeah,
Dhatu.
lasati.
Yeah, but still
From the
little
dhatu?
more elaborately.
Lasati is ekavachanam, prathama purusha.
So,
Kartari prayoga it is. So
so what?
it has-
So therefore, mukham will be the prathama vibhakti.
No, then mukham has to be the subject. So subject will be prathama vibhakti.
Why it is subject? How do you say it is subject? I'm asking you.
Because it is followed by lasati. Lasati, kartari prayog signifies subject.
I'll give another example. This is Gachati is there, or okay, Gachati or Patati you take. Ramaha. Ramaha pustakam patati. Ramaha, I just apply the karma. Ramaha patati. Ramaha pustakam patati. Pustakam is Napumsakalinga. Now tell me pustakam what vibhakti is.
Pustakam is dvitiya
Dvitiya.
vibhakti.
Why Dvitiya vibhakti there? Why it is mukham is prathama vibhakti here? Tell me. You understand my question? First the question to be
Yes,
understood.
Guruji.
From the context we understand.
From the context, really.
Mukham lasati. We know
Ramaha
pustakam.
pustakam patati. Suppose Ramaha is not there. I remove Ramaha. Just pustakam patati is there. And if you say pustakam is a subject, pustakam reads. Does it read on its own?
No.
Pustakam, okay. Take the sentence like Mukham lasati, netram spurati, patram patati, pushpam vikasati. Like that, you take the sentence pustakam patati. Now you explain pustakam patati.
So
Patram
this,
patati, you said patram is subject. Netram spurati, netram is a subject. Pushpam vikasati, pushpam is a subject. Mukham lasati, mukham is a subject. I am saying why you are taking it as subject. Prathama vibhakti ekavachana. Why it can't be dvitiya vibhakti? That is my question.
the
You say
sentence is
patati is
not
there,
possible.
ti is there, prathama purusha ekavachana. These are not the answer. If that is the answer, then I will ask Ramaha patati. Remove Ramaha. Just I will say pustakam patati. There pustaka does it read on its own?
The meaning of the sentence we understand.
The sentence cannot be there without a subject.
Why not? Just I will say patati.
So there
There
has
is
to
no
be
rule
some.
that sentence should not be without subject is understood by the kriya padam. I will say patami. Just patami. Patami means what? Subject is
Yes, sorry.
understood. I read, right?
Mm.
Anybody think an answer? What is the answer? What could be the answer? Simple. This is doesn't have anything to do with Sanskritam. In fact, general.
The question we will ask Guruji is what Lasati, what shines? The question. So we'll get
Hmm.
Mukham. So
Yes.
I guess
Okay. So similarly, pustakam patati there.
there we ask reads what. I don't know whether we say what
No,
reads.
actually, you read who
Who
reads.
reads? Who reads?
Who reads or what read? What does he? Who reads? You get Rama. What does he read? You get the pustaka. Now, what is that? You are coming to the answer, but tell me a little more elaborately. Little
Sir, even if
closer.
we supply Ramaha Guruji, it will be Ramasya Mukham Lasati.
That's okay. That is leave it. That's not required. Ramasi, that doesn't go there. You tell me here. You have said you come closer to the answer. But tell me, By asking question, you said that,
What is doing the action?
huh?
Don't
What is doing the, who does the action and what the action is done?
and
Who
to-
does the action? Who
Agent
kaha
of the
patati,
action is
kaha patati, Ramaha patati. Kim patati, patram patati. Kim vikasati, pushpam vikasati. Kim spurati, netam spurati. Kim lasati, mukam lasati. Right?
Yeah.
Now, patati is a transitive verb. It can take a karma. It can take an object. That is why you can ask the question, what does he read? Ramaha patati. Kaha patati, karta. Kaha is who is the reader, who reads. Ramaha karta patati. Kim patati, what does he read? Ramaha kim patati, Ramaha pustakam patati. Pat dhatu being a sakarmaka dhatu, transitive verb, it can take karma. So pustakam, even though pustakam patati, if I don't mention the subject, just say pustakam patati, the subject is understood as Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, somebody, whether it is Rama, Krishna, or whatever it may be. Pustakam patati means somebody reads a book. That subject is very well understood. So there is nothing like the subject is not the sentence is not there. No. Pustakam is karma, the object is specified. Why? Patadatu can take karma. It is sakarmaka dhatu, transitive verb. In this sentence, Ramaha patati, object is not given. That is okay. Ramaha patati, Rama reads. What does he read? I don't want to say that. I just say Ramaha patati. Ramaha Gitam patati. Ramaha Kavyam patati. Ramaha Stotram patati. Fine. Now you see the sentence. Patram patati. Patdatu is a transitive or intransitive verb. Can it take karma, an object,
So-
or not?
no.
Pratama vibhakti
Cannot take-
denotes karma, ji.
Don't worry about Pratama Bhakti. Just see the dhatu, whether transitive or intransitive. Patadhatu is intransitive verb. It cannot take karma. It cannot take karma. Patati means fall. Ramaha patati. Patram patati. That's all. Who falls? The subject. It could be Rama or it could be Patram. It could be Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsaka, whatever it may be. Patati. Can you ask a question by which you get the karma? It
No.
cannot. Because patadhatu is akarmaka dhatu. Ramaha hasati. Rama laughs. So sentence is there. Now, what is the object of laughing? Can it, hasdhatu can take that asati, can it have karma? It is intransitive. Laughing, sleeping, standing, throbbing, blooming, shining, all these are intransitive verb. It cannot take karma. Mlayati, pushpyati, it cannot take karma. These are intransitive verb in English. Akarmaka dhatu. Karma, if it takes, it is sakarmaka. It cannot take karma, dhatu cannot take karma, karma meaning object, then it is akarmaka. That is the reason why patram patati, patram cannot be dvitiya vibhakti, because if it is dvitiya vibhakti, it has to be karma. Patadhatu, patati, since it is an akarmaka dhatu, since it cannot take a karma, the object, therefore patram cannot be karma, therefore it is not vidya vibhakti, it has to be what vibhakti?
Prathama vibhakti.
Pratama vibhakti.
Understand? This is in English also same thing. What is the big deal here? So you have to tell the dhatu is transitive or intransitive. That's what somebody has said, no? The question what you ask, yes, you ask question. Patati, what question you will ask to get this answer? Patram.
Kim patati.
Kim patati. You don't ask any other question to get object, because object cannot take object. Whereas Ramaha patati, you can ask Kim patati. It is not mentioned. You can, if you want to say, you can say Gitam patati, Kavyam patati, Sanskritam patati. Anything you can say, right? Kaha patati, Ramaha. Rama is a subject. Kaha patati, kim patati, not kaha, kim patati. A patram is napumsakalinga. Therefore, kim patati, patram patati. That patram is the subject. Understand?
Yes, Sharanji.
All of you
Yes, Guruji.
follow what
Yes,
I'm
Guruji.
saying. So the point is, if the dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu, transitive verb, it can take karma, then you can ask a question on what the action is being done. Whereas in akarmaka dhatu, you cannot ask, it cannot take karma. That's the difference. Now let us read this exercise.
See,
Guruji, excuse me.
Yes. Please ask.
Sakarmaka dhatu, could you give us a couple of more examples? One I could think is likati.
You say, you tell me, give me in English. I'll tell you in Sanskritam about all the verbs. Any action.
Likhati, writes.
Likati,
Adat.
the likati
Kadati.
is a transitive verb. Kadati is a transitive verb. Eats. What does he eat? He eats food. Annam kadati, palam kadati,
Then
bhakshanam, bhakshanam kadati. Right? Anything that can take. It's a sakarmaka dhatu, transitive verb. Then,
Cooks.
huh?
patati,
Cooks.
patati,
Pachati.
vata patati.
Cooks is a. It's also sakarmaka dhatu. Pakam pachati, tandulam pachati. It can take karma.
Okay.
Right?
Guruji, Pushpyati, is it a dhatu derived from a noun?
Pushpa dhatu.
Okay.
Pushp dhatu. Pushpyati. It is. You will see. It is fourth gana. All those things we have to see.
That is akarmaka, right, Sharanji?
Pushpyati akarmaka dhatu. What about vadati?
Vadati is
Sakarmaka.
dhatu.
Sakarmaka. Aham katha. Sita katham vadati. She tells a story. Right?
Avadati.
Sitam samskritam vadati. She speaks Sanskritam. It can take object. In fact, vadadatu can take two objects. That is something different. It's not now. Later we will see. That I vadati. I tell the student. I mean, not. Yeah. Vad means to speak. I tell or vadati, let's say patayati, teach. I'm saying, just making a small change. Patayati, patayati teaches. I teach the lesson to the student. The lesson also karma, the student also karma. It can take two karma. There are some dhatus which can take two karma. In Sanskritam, it is called dvikarmaka dhatu. Anyway, just know the term. We will see. It's a long way to go. Not now. Those are also possibilities there. Some dhatus can take two karmas. So, dhatu which can take karma is sakarmaka, dhatu which cannot take karma is akarmaka. Akarmaka dhatu, okay. Then in the kartari prayoga, always karta will be denoted. Therefore, the netram, patram, pushpam, mukam, these are pratama vibhakti because they are all the subject. Therefore, they cannot be dvitiya vibhakti. That is the answer. Understand? That is the answer for the question what I asked. Why it cannot be dvitiya vibhakti? Now, from the lesson you answer. Anybody can answer. Saha kaha,
Saha gajaha.
saka.
Sa
Mala.
lata.
Mala. Mala.
Okay. Tat kim,
Tat pushpam.
kaha gacchati.
Gajaha gachati.
Gajaha gachati.
Ka tishtati.
Bala tishtati.
Oh, garland stands. Okay. Anyway, mala can be woman also. Okay. Kim patati.
Patram.
Patram patati.
Now, making it a Bhagavachanam or Dvivachanam. Answer accordingly. Okay. Tani kani.
Tani pushpani.
Tani pushpani. Ke gachanti.
Balaha
Bale
gachanti.
gachanti.
Balaha gachanti. I'm asking Bhagavachanam. Okay. Tau kau.
Tau
Tau
vrukshau.
gajam.
Tau vriksho gajo, etc. Okay. Kim patataha. Sorry, not kim patata. Ke patataha.
Patre patata.
Patre
Patre
patataha.
patati.
Then that is Prashnaha, the first one. First time I read as it is, then I changed it into different Vachanam. Then Kha, Tad Shabdasya Lingatraye api Pratama Vibhakti Rupani. We know this. Pratama Vibhakti Rupa of Tat Shabda in all the Linga. Pullinge is Saptami Vibhakti. Pullinge in Pullinga Sagatote Rupani. Tat Shabdasya. Srilinge Satetaha Rupani. Napumsakalinge Tattetani. All these are must be very familiar to you. No, Lingatraye, what sandhi is that?
Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Purva Rupa Sandhi. Lingatraye, Saptami Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, plus Api is Avyaya. So, Purva Rupa Sandhi. Padantayang followed by the Padam beginning with Akara. Then, Tat Shabdasya Rupahi Vakyani Purayata. Anybody can answer. Vakyani Purayata, fill up the blank with the form of the Tat Shabda. Dash Chutaha. Chutaha is mango tree. You have to fill in with appropriate Rupam of Tat Shabda. In keeping with the gender, Vachanam, remember.
Ayam.
Saha, not Ayam. Ayam is Idam, right?
Saha.
Saha Chutaha, that is a mango tree. Tat Shabda only you have to use. Dash Malati.
Sa Malati.
Sa Malati. Dash Vataha.
Saha Vataha.
Saha Vataha. Vatadaksha. Banyan tree. Dash Kamalam.
Tat Kamalam.
Tat Kamalam. Dash Jati. Jati is Pushpa. Okay. Jati Pushpam is the flower.
Sajati.
Sa Jati. Dash Kusumam.
Tat Kusumam.
Tat.
Kusumam. The terminations of the present tense. Terminations is called the case suffix. That is pratyaya. It says instead of pratyaya, it uses the word termination. Suffixes of the present tense are titaha, anti, sitaha, ta, mivaha, maha. Example: gacchati, gacchataha, gacchanti, gacchasi, gacchataha, gacchata, gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha. Then glossary, you can see this. You can remember these words. Vocabulary can improve. We know Vrikshaha, Lata, Pushpam, Kriya Padam, Gacchati. What is P in Kriya Padam? That Gacchati.
Parasmaipadi.
Parasmaipadi. We discussed in the last class. Dhatu can take Parasmaipadi terminations, the pratyas or Atmanepadi pratyaya. Not by your choice. There is no choice. Some dhatus, there are dhatus which can take only Parasmaipadi pratyaya. There also dhatus are called Parasmaipadi dhatus. Parasmaipadi pratyas are what are the Parasmaipadi pratyas?
Sitaha.
Itaha, anti, sitahata, mivaha, maha. And there are Atmanepadi pratyas. The dhatus which can take Atmanepadi pratyas are Atmanepadi dhatus. That you will see later. A will be there. A means Atmanepadi. So gacchati, tishtati, palati, patati, mlayati, pushpyati, padati, patati, spurati, lasati, vikasati. All are Kriya Padam derived from the dhatus. That's why Kriya Padam. All are Parasmaipadi forms. Parasmaipadi dhatus. From Parasmaipadi dhatus, they are derived. Chutaha, mango tree. Akaranta, Pullinga Shabda. Vataha is banyan tree. Kamalam, lotus. Okay. Then Tritiya Pataha. We can read quickly. It's simple. As we read in the second lesson, the same thing in third lesson. You can see Tritiya Pataha, third lesson. Okay. Now read, Jyotiji.
Yes. Balau, Imau Balau.
What is Balau?
Dvivachan of Bala Shabda.
Two boys.
Two boys.
Pale, then read. Pale is?
Phale is Dvivachan of Napunsakli Phala Shabda.
Means two fruits, right?
Two fruits.
Okay, read.
Imau Balau.
Kriya
Ime
Padam?
Bal.
Always apply Kriya Padam.
Staha.
Yeah.
Ime Bale Santi.
Yes, good. How do you say Ime Bale?
Because boys.
Ime is Ayam Imo Ime. It is Bhagavachanam in Pullinga.
Here we are talking about boys in the picture.
Boys in the picture. That's what I'm asking. Ime is boy, Pullinga. Ayam Imo Ime. Ime is Bhagavachanam only. How you say Staha? You're reading Ime Bale.
I said Ime Bale Santi.
ime bale santi. Really? Bale is
Stah.
what? Bale is
Strilinga.
Bahuvachanam or
Oh,
Dvivachanam or Ekavachanam?
ime bale stha. Yes, Guruji.
You tell me
Got
what is
it.
that.
Yeah.
It is staha or santi.
Yeah, stha.
Why it is staha? Because because ime is
Ime,
there,
ime.
ime is Bahuvachanam, I would say. It is Bahuvachanam, Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, Pullinga.
Then
Ayam
it-
imo ime.
Then it becomes ime bale santi. If it is Strilinga, then it becomes ime bale stha.
Huh.
No. My question, ime is Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam of idam shabda, ayam imo ime. Therefore, santi should come, I say. Okay. Now we have to say why it is not. It is not correct. We have to say.
Because then
Understand
it
the
should be
question?
balaha.
It will be balaha, right?
Ha.
If it is bala meaning boy, balaha balo balaha,
Balaha.
ime balaha santi. But balaha is boys. Here he's talking about girl. Bale, two girls, right? The translation is ime bale staha. These are two girls.
Two girls.
Imau balo staha. These are two boys.
Boys.
The ime, the rupam, even though it is same, but in Pullinga it is Bhagavachanam and Strilinga it is Dvivachanam. And here Bala, Bale, Dvivachanam is there. Therefore, ime is Strilinga only, not Pullinga. That is the thing. Okay. Yes, continue. Tau,
Tau devau.
Staha.
Tau devau stha. Te patre.
What Vachanam, what te is Sakataute?
Dvivachanam.
Therefore, Tatte Tani. Because it is Patra is Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Te Patre
Te patre. Dvivachanam.
Staha.
Te patre stha.
Hmm.
Ime phale stha.
Okay.
Palam.
These are two fruits. Then continue.
Te late stha. Lata.
All these are Dvivachanam. These are two
Dvivachanams.
creepers. Okay, first time you read.
Balau pathatah. Phale patatah. Bale gayatah.
You can tell in other Vachanam, other. Yeah.
Balaha pathanti.
Hmm.
Falani patanti. Balaha gayanti.
Okay. Ekavachanam.
Balaha pathati. Phalam patati. Bala gayati.
Other Purusha.
Balaha.
No, where is other Purusha? Where is Balaha? Other Purusha. Bala is already done. Other Purusha. Madhyaman Uttama. Tvam.
Aham pathami.
Good.
Avam patavaha. Vayam pathamaha.
Tvam patasi.
Tvam pathasi. Yuvam pathatha. Yuyam pathatha.
Similarly, Pat Dhatu. Patati.
Patami, patavaha, patamaha.
Agam patami. Avam
Avam
patavaha.
patavaha, vayam patamaha.
Then
Tvam patasi, yuvam
patatha.
patatha, and yuyam patatha.
Yes. Then
Aham gayami, avam gayavaha, vayam gayamaha. Tvam gayasi, yuvam gayavaha, yuyam gayamaha.
Gayatha. Why?
Gayatha and yuyam gayatha.
Gayataha, Gayatha. Anuradhaji, second one.
Vrikshau halatah. Gajau gachatah. Pushpe vikasatah.
Other Vachanam.
Vrikshah halati. Vrikshau halatah. Vrikshaha palanti. Then
Continue. Gajaha, Gachati.
yeah, Gajaha gachati, Gajau gachatah, Gajaha gachanti. Then Pushpam vikasati, Pushpe vikasatah, Pushpani vikasanti.
No, other Purusha, Madhyaman Uttama.
Aham phalami, avam phalavaha, vayam phalamaha, tvam phalasi, yuvam palatah, yuyam palatha, Then the other bit I said,
Aham gacchami.
aham gacchami, avam gacchavaha, vayam gacchamaha, tvam gacchasi, yuvam gacchataha, yuyam gachatha, aham
Vikasami.
vikasami, avam vikasavaha, vayam vikasamaha, tvam vikasati, yuvam vikasataha, yuyam vikasatha.
Yes. Next person. Lataji, you can read. Third line. Okay, you don't read because there's some noise at your hand. Okay. If there's no noise, you can read. Some noise is there. Huh? No, please, Jyotiji, read.
नेत्रे स्फुरतः अजौ तिष्ठतः माले म्लायतः.
Yeah, you can do other.
So it is
Vachana.
नेत्रं स्फुरति, नेत्रे स्फुरतः, नेत्राणि स्फुरन्ति, अजः तिष्ठतः, अजः तिष्ठति, अजौ तिष्ठतः, अजाः तिष्ठन्ति, माला म्लायति, माले म्लायतः, मालाः म्लायन्ति.
Yes. The next line also.
लते पुष्प्यतः. So लता पुष्प्यति, लते पुष्प्यतः, लताः पुष्प्यन्ति, मुखे लसतः, मुखं लसति, मुखे लसतः, मुखानि लसन्ति, देवौ वदतः, देवः वदति, देवौ वदतः, देवाः वदन्ति.
Good. Anuradhaji, you can do this in Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha.
Okay. So aham pushpyami, avam pushpyavaha, vayam pushpyamaha, tvam pushpyasi, yuvam pushpyataha, yuyam pushpyatha. Then aham lasami, lasami, avam lasavaha, vayam lasamaha, tvam lasasi, yuvam lasataha, yuyam lasatha. Then aham vadami, avam vadavaha, vayam vadamaha, tvam vadasi, yuvam vadataha, yuyam vadatha.
Yes. Now, Prashnaha. Tau kau.
Tau balau.
तौ बालौ.
Te ke.
Te bali.
Kau patataha.
बालौ पठतः.
Ke patataha.
फले पततः.
Ke gayataha.
Bale gayata.
बाले
Bale
गायतः.
Kau palataha.
वृक्षः फलतः.
वृक्षौ
वृक्ष
palataha.
Vrikshau palata.
Kau gachataha.
बालौ गच्छतः.
Balau gachataha. Ke vikasataha.
लते विकसतः.
Ke spurataha.
Netre.
Huh?
Spurataha.
Netre. Okay. Kau tishtataha.
वृक्षौ
Balau
तिष्ठतः.
tishtataha.
Vriksho balau. Ke mlayataha.
लते
Mal.
पुष्पे म्लायतः. लते म्लायतः.
Mukhe also. Face also. Ke pushpyataha.
लते पुष्प्यतः.
Late pushpyataha. All are Dvivachana. This lesson is only dealing with Dvivachana. Now, idam tat shabdayoho rupaihi vakyani purayata. Dash hastau.
तौ हस्तौ.
You can use idam or tat, both. Tau astu or idam shabda.
Imau.
Imau. Kusume.
इमे कुसुमे. ते कुसुमे.
Yes. Charanau.
इमौ चरणौ. तौ चरणौ.
Tau charanau. Angulyau. What Angulyau is?
अंगुली is the Pratipadika.
Strilinga. Yes. Anguli is finger. Hasta is Pullinga. Kusuma is Napumsakalinga. Charana is Pullinga. But Anguli is Strilinga. Therefore, idam tat rupa shabda is
Iyam.
इमे.
ime.
Ime angulyau.
Angulyau or tat shabda
Te.
te. Angulyau. Then dash patre
ते पात्रे.
or
Ime.
Ime patre.
Ime pat.
Idam tad both you can use here. Dash kanye.
Ime kanye.
Ime
or
kanye.
te kanye.
Te kanye.
Te kanye. Now let, that is a technical term for present tense, Vartamana Kala. Let Rupaihi Vakyani Purayata. Balau,
Likhat pathatah.
Bale,
Bale. Ga.
Patataha.
Gayata.
Gayagatah.
Bale is Dviva. First you see Dvivachanam. Forget about the gender. Kriya Padam doesn't have anything to do with the gender. Gatau,
Patatah.
Gajau,
Gachatah.
Putrau.
Namatah.
These are the dhatus. Dhatu I'm saying Pat dhatu. Gai dhatu is going, actually the dhatu is Gai dhatu. That becomes Gai. Pat dhatu, Gach dhatu, Nam dhatu. Chatrau,
Likataha.
Likhatah.
Natau,
Nrityatah.
Netre,
Ashyataha.
Padau,
Chalatah.
Netre,
Spuratah.
Purataha. All these are Dvivachana Rupam. These are the dhatus. You can note this dhatu. From that only we get. So you can try like they write in the forms Patati Patataha like that. So the glossary has given Gayati Palam Charanaha Kanya Gataha Putraha Chatraha Nataha Nataha dancer Anguli Kusumam. So with this second lesson is done. Next one is fourth lesson that we will see. Bhagavachanam, that we will see in the next class. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Any doubts?
No, Guruji.
Okay. Only two people they participate. Others are in mute. That's why I don't call other names. Only those names are in the chat box. Only those people. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.